So Eric Schaeffer from Accenture, as you mentioned, I lead our industrial practice, which is all about automotive, industrial equipment, infrastructure, and transportation globally.
So yesterday morning you held a keynote on the transformative power of industrial connectivity. Can you give me some more insights into what you talked about?
Well, it's all about Industry X.0. So it's how digital is going to completely reinvent industrial. The way manufacturers sell, produce, it's going to reinvent the products themselves. So a complete change of the industry.
What's your point of view on the following sentence, if Internet of Things is considered a hype or a reality?
It's not a hype, it's reality. It's happening. And like many of our clients with whom we work, ready or not, it is happening. So it is something that many industrial companies need to focus on today.
What are the main challenges that are associated with Industry 4.0 and the technologies that it brings along?
Well, many challenges. I mean, the first one is that it's not one technology, it's a lot of technologies, and it's succeeding waves of technology. So transformation is not coming at once, it's coming in multiple waves. The second thing is that this will transform the company from the customer angle, internal operations, the products themselves. So it's going to shake the enterprise upside down. The whole enterprise is going to be transformed by digital.
How can manufacturers extract more value from digital innovation?
So there's a lot of value from digital. And the research we've done with many of our clients shows that you can increase your EBIT, so bottom line impact, by 300 to 700 basis points. So a lot of value still trapped in the enterprise. And digital technologies like IoT, big data, analytics, which are mainstream, can help you unlock the value. First, focusing on how you digitize the customer interactions, then secondly, focusing on internal operations, and thirdly, focusing on the products and your new business models around connected and smart products.
If we look at Accenture at the moment, what are some of the main solutions that you're offering to your clients?
Well, solutions, I wouldn't say solutions we're proposing to our clients. We're helping our clients envision what the future will look like, helping them understand how to leverage these technologies into the way they interact with their customers, into their internal operations, but also helping them envision what the products of tomorrow will look like and what are the new revenue streams. So it's helping them leverage and harness what digital can bring to their enterprise.
How do you see the industrial IoT space transforming within the next 2 to 3 years?
Well, for me, the main focus is going to be around the product, and it's going to force industrial manufacturers to reinvent completely their products. Today, they consider their products mainly around hardware. Tomorrow, it's going to be hardware, software, it's all going to be connectivity. It is all going to be around the data, the analytics, the value you can drive from this, and it's also all going to be around the user experience. And I think this is what's going to make the difference between the winners and the losers. It is all about the user experience around their products. It's all going to be also around ecosystems, and I think this is going to become the competitive edge of many companies, the ecosystem in which they operate.
What are your main takeaways from these 2 days here at the conference?
Well, there's a few. The first one is a lot of industrial manufacturers are becoming to realize that this is happening and that it's not a hype, it's not tomorrow, it's today. And many other participants, I believe, sharing their experience have demonstrated this. The second thing is that what I've learned through these 2 days is that many companies have not yet figured out what this means for them. So they're at the beginning of their journey, which I think is important. And third thing, and I especially like the format of the Industry of Things world, is the networking and the necessity to share your experience, lessons learned, what has worked, what has not worked between the industrial manufacturers. So it's all about networking and sharing of experience.
And if there was one sentence that you would use to describe the Industry of Things world, what would it be?
Valuable, lots of knowledge, of networking, fantastic event.
Thank you very much for your insights.
Thank you.